in Your Neighbourhood, 11 to 28 March. I'm now at Pasir Ris Neighbourhood and I'm bringing you through a visual arts walking trail where I'll show you 4 installation works where Singaporean artists transform everyday spaces into beautiful works. Let's take a look. So come on down to Pasir Ris. There are a series of programs brought to you by Arts in Your Neighbourhood initiative. If you'd like to have a look at the previous Arts in Your Neighbourhood programs, click here. And do remember to subscribe to our channel here. See you in the next video.